Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your school account and permissions are ready, because access controls determine student privacy. Once done, install the Swift Chat app and grant mic, camera, and notification permissions so multimedia lessons work smoothly. Next, create class groups immediately and import your roster via CSV or SIS sync to save time. This gets you past admin delays and puts you in control. Make sure to set roles: teacher, TA, student, so chat moderation and grading features apply correctly as you move to lesson setup. You now build lessons inside a lesson channel where you pin objectives so students know the learning target. Add resources, PDF, links, and short 5 to 10 minute videos because bite-sized content increases focus. Once resources are in place, schedule live sessions and enable breakout rooms for small group work. Set timers to keep pace. You should also assign roles for presenters and moderators. This prevents interruptions and clarifies responsibilities. Finally, use reaction emojis and quick polls to check understanding in real time. You finish by collecting student submissions and applying the built-in rubric so grading stays consistent. Use the gradebook to record scores and feedback. Once grades are set, export reports as CSV to share with administrators or securely with parents. If something goes wrong, especially audio or video, first check app permissions and network bandwidth, then restart the app. Often that resolves device conflicts. If issues persist, clear cache or reinstall. This sequence gets you to reliable delivery and preserves student data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.